One. So today, as you see, I will explain question number 2 and 3 of exercise 8.1. Okay, and these are the last two sums of exercise 8.1. Now, what is there in question number 2? In a computer lab, there are 3 computers for every 6 students. Fine, 3 computers for every 6 students. Now they are asking how many computer will be needed for 24 students. Now how exactly will do the solution? See, it's a very similar to unitary method sort of sum. Okay, so what sentence I have to write? For 6 students, as because we have to find the number of computers, so we'll write it, the sentence would be like, for 6 students, number of computer required equals to what? 3. So for 6 students, number of computer required is what? 3. So for 1 students, number of computer required will be what? Less or more? Obviously less, because 6 students needs 3 computer. So 1 student will need less computer. So less means we have to divide the 3 divided by 6. We'll keep it like this only. Now, the last statement that we have to write, therefore, for 24 students, okay, number of computer will be required. Okay, now more or less for 1 student this much of computer is required. So for 24 students, obviously more computer is required. So when we are saying more, that means we have to multiply. Now finally we'll do the calculation, that is 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. Now 3 fours are is what? 12, isn't it? So you will conclude the answer as, hence 12 computers are required for 24 students. This is how you will conclude this sum. Okay, I believe that it was very easy for all of you. Now let's move on to question number 3. Welcome back. Now in question number 3, details of 2 states are given. What details? Population details. Okay, so population of Rajasthan is what? 570 lakh, and population of UP is given 1660 lakh. And they have also mentioned the area, that is area of Rajasthan is 3 lakh kilometer square and area of UP is 2 lakh kilometer square. Now what's the first question they have asked? How many people are there per kilometer square in both the states? Okay, and finally we have to say that which state is less populated. So how to start? First of all, we have to answer number 1. Okay, so number 1 we have to solve. For that we have to write population of Rajasthan. We'll start with Rajasthan. Okay, so the population of Rajasthan in 3 kilometer square area, that would be equals to 570 lakh. Okay, according to the question. Now in 3 kilometer square area, number of population is 570 lakh. Now we have to get the population of Rajasthan in 1 kilometer square area, as because they have asked people in per kilometer square. Per kilometer square means 1 kilometer square. So what we will write? Therefore population of Rajasthan in 1 kilometer square area would be what? Less, obviously, because in 3 kilometer square area this much of population there. So in 1 kilometer square area, obviously little less population would be there. So 570 by 3. Now if you reduce this, okay, if you reduce this, your answer will come as 190 lakh. Okay, now we have the data of the population of Rajasthan in 1 kilometer square. Now same thing we'll do with UP also, that is population of Rajasthan, of UP in 2 kilometer square area is what? 1660 lakh, isn't it? According to the question. Now what we have to find it out? We have to find out population of UP in 1 kilometer square. So therefore population of UP in 1 kilometer square area would be what? Obviously it would be less. So 1660 divided by 2. So what would be the answer? Answer would be 830 lakh. Okay, now we have solved question number 1. We have given the answer that each state, that is population of Iceland in 1 kilometer square area would be, is what? 190, and population of UP in 1 kilometer square area is what? 830 lakh. Now we have to also answer question number 2. Which state is less populated? So we will write question number 2. So you will write it can be observed. So just by looking it, you will say it can be observed the population per kilometer square area is lesser for which state? Which state is lesser? 190 lakh for Rajasthan and 830 lakh for UP. So Rajasthan is lesser. So it's lesser for Rajasthan, isn't it? So you will write hence Rajasthan is less populated. That's it. This is the solution of sum number 2. Okay, I hope you have understood how exactly I have done. So these are the 2 sums that you have to do for this session. No homework for today. Okay, thank you so much. Take care, stay blessed and stay happy, all of you.